Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best mini gaming PC. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. ACEMAGIC M5 Mini PC. Windows 11 Pro Intel Core 14500HX mini computers, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 55W HX class processor, 4.9 GHz mini PC, triple 4K HDMI/DP, Wi-Fi 6, micro desktop PC for home office business. Brand ACEMAGIC. Operating system Windows 11 Pro, CPU model Intel Core i5, CPU speed 4.9 GHz, cache size 24 MB, graphics card description integrated, graphics coprocessor Intel Iris Xe graphics eligible, memory storage capacity 512 GB, specific uses for product 3D modeling, business, education, everyday use, multimedia, photo editing, video editing, personal computer design type, mini PC. HX Class Performance King, Intel i5 14500HX Mini PC. As Intel's top HX Class desktop-grade chip, the 14th Gen Intel i5 14500HX easily outperforms mainstream low-power UHT series processors, delivering stable high speeds with zero throttling. This ACEMAGIC M5 Mini PC runs on this powerhouse, 14C20T, 24 MB cache, up to 4.9 GHz, 55W TDP, built for consistent heavy-duty processing. It outpaces AMD Ryzen 7 6800H, 8745HS, or R969HS, boosts speeds by 21 to 39% versus i5 1269HX, or i7 1362HX, or i9 1190HX, and even matches Core i9 13900HK in most professional tasks, ideal for productivity, development, and stock trading.
Number 4. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, AMD Ryzen 4300U 28 watts, beats 10110U, 3500U, and N95, up to 3.7 GHz. Mini computers, triple 4K display /HDMI/DP Type-C/Wi-Fi/BT for home/business mini desktop computers. Brand, KAMRUI. Personal computer design type, mini PC. Operating system, OS. CPU model AMD R series, CPU speed 3.7 GHz, cache size 4 MB, graphics card description integrated, graphics coprocessor AMD Radeon Transmit Graphics, memory storage capacity 512 GB. AMD Ryzen 4300U True 4-core CPU outperforms N95 and i3 10110U. KAMRUI P2 Mini PC is equipped with true 4-core AMD Ryzen 4300 processor, built on advanced 7nm Zen 2 architecture. This means you get consistent, unthrottled performance for hours on end, whether you're running multiple browser tabs, streaming 4K content, or managing virtual machines. Compare that to Intel N95 for efficiency cores that throttle under load, or Intel i3 10110U, only 2 cores total, and the difference is night and day. The KAMRUI P2 AMD Ryzen 4300U, 28 watts, is 40% faster than the Intel i3 10110U and 25% faster than the Intel N95 in multi-core tasks, ensuring smooth, lag-free performance even during heavy workloads. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics, 2.5 times stronger for Tri-4K. The KAMRUI P2 AMD 4300 Mini PC have unlocked the full potential of the built-in AMD Radeon Vega 5 graphics with 28W power delivery, making it 2.5 times stronger than the Intel UHD graphics found in the N95 and i3 10110U. This means you can enjoy Tri-4K at 60Hz displays without a single stutter, perfect for productivity setups, home theaters, or even light photo-video editing and casual gaming. While the Intel N95 and i3 10110U struggle to run a single 4K display without lag, the KAMRUI AMD 4300 Mini PC handles Tri-4K effortlessly, turning your workspace into a high-efficiency hub or your living room into a premium entertainment center.
Number 3. Apple 2024 Mac Mini Desktop Computer with M4 chip with 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. Built for Apple Intelligence. 16GB unified memory, 512GB SSD storage, Gigabit Ethernet. Works with iPhone, iPad. Brand, Apple. Personal computer design type, mini PC. Operating system, Mac OS. CPU model, Apple M4. CPU speed, 1. Graphics card description, integrated.
Graphics coprocessor, Apple integrated graphics. Memory storage capacity, 16 gigabytes. Specific uses for product, business, education, everyday use. RAM memory installed size, 16 gigabytes. Size down, power up. The far mightier, way tinier Mac Mini desktop computer is 5 by 5 inches of pure power, built for Apple intelligence. Redesigned around Apple Silicon to unleash the full speed and capabilities of the spectacular M4 chip, with ports at your convenience on the front and back. Looks small, lives large. At just 5 by 5 inches, Mac Mini is designed to fit perfectly next to a monitor and is easy to place just about anywhere. Convenient connections. Get connected with Thunderbolt, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet ports on the back, and for the first time, front-facing USB-C ports and a headphone jack. Supercharged by M4, the powerful M4 chip delivers spectacular performance, so everything feels snappy and fluid. Number 2. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, AMD Ryzen 4300U, 28 watts, beats 1010-110U, 3500U, and N95, up to 3.7 GHz. Mini computers, triple 4K display, HDMI plus DP plus Type-C, Wi-Fi plus BT for home/business mini desktop computers. Brand, KAMRUI. Personal computer design type, Mini PC. Operating system, OS. CPU model, AMD R series. CPU speed, 3.7 GHz. Cache size, 4 MB. Graphics card description, integrated. Graphics coprocessor, AMD Radeon TM graphics. Memory storage capacity, 512 GB. Specific uses for product, business, everyday use, multimedia, server, personal computer, business computer, office PC, HTPC, online learning, work for home, education, photo editing, web browsing, working, video editing, learning, music listening, programming, streaming, video conferencing, business, everyday use, multimedia, server, personal computer, business computer, HTPC, online learning, work for home, education, photo editing. AMD Ryzen 4300U, true 4-core CPU, outperforms N95 and i3-10110U. KAMRUI P2 Mini PC is equipped with true 4-core AMD Ryzen 4300 processor built on advanced 7nm Zen 2 architecture. This means you get consistent, unthrottled performance for hours on end, whether you're running multiple browser tabs, streaming 4K content, or managing virtual machines. Compare that to Intel N95, 4 efficiency cores that throttle under load, or Intel i3-10110U, only 2 cores total, and the difference is night and day. The KAMRUI P2 AMD Ryzen 4300U, 28 watts, is 40.
Number 1. GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC, Ryzen 7 64HS, upgraded 6600H 6800U, 32GB RAM DDR5 1TB SSD, dual NIC LAN 2.5 GBE, desktop computers, office, home, triple 4K display, Wi-Fi. Brand, GMKtec. Personal computer design type, Mini PC. Operating system, 11 Pro. CPU model, Ryzen 5. CPU speed, 5 GHz. Cache size, 16 MB. Graphics card description, integrated. Graphics coprocessor, integrated. Memory storage capacity, 1 TB. Specific uses for product, everyday use. Value and performance Mini PC. GMKtec Nukebox M6 Ultra series is equipped with the powerful AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor. This CPU is an upper mid-range processor, APU, of the Phoenix product family. It has 6 SMT-enabled Zen 4 cores, 12 threads, running at 4.3 GHz base speed to turbo boost 5 GHz. With a TDP boost of 45 to 60 watts, the Ryzen 7640HS CPU is more energy efficient and delivers a 30% performance increase over previous AMD Ryzen 7 6800H 6600U. 32GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCIe SSD. Installed with DDR5 32GB RAM SO-DIMM dual channel, 2x16GB, the Nukebox M6 Ultra Mini PC support expansion to 128GB RAM. Featured with 1TB M.2 2280 PCIe 3.0 SSD, support dual slot expansion to PCIe 4.0 8TB SSD. Gaming PC. The Radeon 760i GPU has 8 CUs, 512 shaders, running at up to 2600 MHz. This desktop computer can play moderate gaming at a steady FPS. It also HW encodes and HW decodes the most widely used video codecs such as AV1, HEVC, and AVC.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.